So, exercise 1, I'm going to tell you the answers to the questions based on the noun. So, this exercise you'll be doing right now. Whatever you are not able to understand at the end of the discussion of one particular exercise, you can definitely ask me. Correct the following sentences. The first one goes in this way. Her hairs are curly. That is incorrect. The correction would be her hair is curly. Her hair is curly because hair is uncountable and therefore it is considered to be singular. But sometimes hair can be plural. Our elders gave us many advices. Our elders gave us many advices. Advice is abstract noun. It cannot be converted into many advices. You can say, our elders gave us many pieces of advice or much advice. This would be even correct. I have many work to do. That is incorrect. Work is abstract now. But if you refer work as a job, then you say, I have much work to do. Sunita has sold all her furnitures. Incorrect. Furniture is a collective noun. So correction would be Sunita has sold all her furniture, not furnitures. 5. She gave me informations about this bank. Information is abstract, uncountable. So she gave me information. That is the correction. The sceneries of Himachal Pradesh are very charming. Scenery is uncountable. So, scenery. The scenery of Himachal Pradesh is very charming. The people are hardworking. The peoples are hardworking. Wrong English. People is already a collective plural. So the people are hardworking. Those who have made pieces of furniture, that is correct in case of 4. The cattle are grazing, not cattles. Cattle is a collective one. The cattle are grazing in the field. I want a paper. No, I want a piece of paper or a sheet of paper. Next, I bring fruits and vegetables from the market. Incorrect. I bring fruit and vegetable. I bring fruit and vegetable from the market, not fruits and vegetables. Fruit and vegetable. You must continue your study. Incorrect. You must continue your studies. So these would be the requisite corrections in exercise 1. I hope you have made a note of it. Charming. The question is charming. What does it mean by charming? Charming means very attractive. आकर्षणीय. उसको हम कहते हैं charming. So these are the suggested corrections. Exercise 1. I'm moving further. Some other questions are also there. जैसे, okay. The news are false. We don't say so. We say the news is false. They go to Agra during the summer vacations. Don't say vacations, say summer vacation. Next, the spectacle is very nice. Spectacle. Her spectacle is always a collective plural because in a spectacle, there are actually two lenses. There are two lenses. So it is always kept as plural. So her spectacles are very nice. Next, she has a 20 rupees note. She has a 20 rupees note. If you are talking about note, which means a currency, remember, in case of currency, we don't make it plural. So these are the suggested corrections. Ipsita, what is your doubt? Koda?
नहीं सर भूल हाथ बज जाइतला
Okay, ठीक है. Now these are the suggested corrections of exercise 1. Pratik, what's your doubt?
So my doubt is question number 11.
You must continue your studies. STUDIES. Studies मतलब पढ़ाई. आप अपनी पढ़ाई जारी रखो. But if you are using study, only study, it can be either a verb or an adjective. For example, if you are talking about study, like I study science, this is correct sentence. Or this is my study room. This is my study room. So here study is adjective, room is noun. That's why such corrections are required. Now exercise number 2, I am telling, okay, anyone else has any other doubt in exercise 1? Answers? Hopefully no. Now let's go to exercise number 2. In this, let's pick up the doubts. He got only passing marks. He got only the passing mark. Ram was true to his words. Ram was true to his words. "10 miles is a long distance. They want 2 dozens. They want 2 dozen of apples. Dozen is not pluralized. I want 2 pairs of white shoes. I want 2 pairs of white shoes. Rahul has finished 2/3 of his homework. The chair's legs are broken. The legs of the chair are broken. Good night. I am so glad to meet you. I'm so glad to have met you. Why to have met you? Because the person is saying goodbye. He is leaving. So when you are leaving, you don't need to say to meet you. To have met you. क्योंकि उसका मिलना खत्म हो चुका है by now. There is no space in the car. There is no room in the car. Next. We should help the poor, Snehi. We should help the poor. We should help the poor. She left for Delhi by 8:30 o'clock bus. It will be 8:30 bus, not 8:30 o'clock bus. 8 o'clock, not 8:30 o'clock. One of his sons is a teacher. Amazing Stories are an interesting book. Here, Amazing Stories is the name of a book. So, is an interesting book. I need some informations. Wrong. Information. So, these are, okay. This is my son's in-law's house. This is my son-in-law's house. Or better, this is the way. Anything you have a doubt in exercise 2?
Sir, I have a doubt in bullet number 9.
Before that, there is another doubt, bullet number 5. Remember, pair, just the way you are using 2 dozen, अगर आप उसके पीछे कोई noun डाल रहे हो, तो plural मत करना. Because pair itself refers to 2. So 2 pair of socks, 2 pair of shoes, 2 pair of socks. We talk like that. 9. There is no space. Space mane mahakasha. So, mokar bhitere mahakasha nahi. It a bhul word. You should say there is no room or place can be correct. Place matlab place to sit down. Room matlab basiba pai jaga. This is how you shall use.
Sir, bullet number 12.
Bullet number 12. One
Sir,
of his sons, Tara puomananko bhitaru jane in teacher. Tara puomananko bhitaru jane. Not like ki tara puo jane, whatever like that. Question 6. Rahul has finished 2/3. Remember, whenever you are taking a fraction, for example, there is a circle. And I divide the circle into 4 parts. I divide the circle into 4 quadrants, 4 parts. Suppose I take off this 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, it is already a plural. So we say 2/3. That means here it is 3/4. Make 4 parts. Take 3 parts of that. So that is why S is added. Another doubt, what has come up here? So these are the doubts, I guess. One more is 11 over. It is not 8:30 o'clock. You say 8 o'clock bus, 9 o'clock bus. But if it is 8:30, we don't say o'clock there. We either say AM or PM. That's why it's not done. Any other doubt? You can put in the chat box.
Sir,
Exercise 2 to 5. Exercise 2, bullet number 5, already I told. Over. Yes. Yes, somebody was trying to speak.
Sir, bullet number 14. This is my son's in-law house. Sir, जो son's in-law house चाप सुपे से जो देची एन पाखे देची तो सेमती लिखिले दी जन son's in-law को indicate करते.
Remember, जेतेबेले तुम्हें एई भली compound word गुडी को plural करूथबो सेठी first word को plural करिवो. जेतेबेले apostrophe s बसौथबो last word रे बसेगो. तो जदि तुम्हें कहिबा को चाहुथबो एमाने होचंती मोर जमाई, तुम्हें यदि यह कहिबा को चाहुथबो कि एमाने होचंती मोर ज्वाई, then
Yes, sir.
you have to make it like they are my sons-in-law.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन तुम्हें जेतले apostrophe s दउचो कि मोर ज्वाई रो घर, so there it has to be different. Apostrophe has to go with the first word.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully everyone is clear. Now
Yes,
let
sir.
us go. We shall go to exercise number 3 and check the answers. I bought my furnitures by goods train. Furniture, that's it. We don't make furnitures, we make furniture. I saw two beautiful fishes in the pond. Fish is not pluralized. So I saw two beautiful fish in the pond. 1 minute, please. Excuse me. So, Thomson's poetries are very charming. Poetry. Is your scissors dull? Is your scissors nahi hota? This is a pair. So are your scissors? Light travels faster. All the furniture of my house have been stolen. A poet and writer is dead. The committee was divided on this issue. Mathematics is not a difficult subject. My sympathy is the mother both carried her son and daughter from the burning house. The mother carried both her son and her daughter My sister serves in a boys' school. Rohan and Mohan's house is very far from here. There are many news published in local paper. The teacher has taught the alphabets. So if anyone has got any doubt, you can ask me.
Without sir.
Rajkumar, whenever you speak, keep the microphone little far from your face. Huh? Pratik, what is your question?
Sir, 11 number.
You can always use the chat box to write his doubts. The mother carried both her son and daughter. If I say son and daughter, it means one person is son and that person is the daughter. वैसा नहीं होता. Son अलग है, daughter अलग रहते हैं. So, आपको कहना रहेगा her son and her daughter. Her son and her daughter. Question 14. We don't say many news articles. News is not pluralized with many. It is uncountable. તમે કહેવા news article, news bulletins, etc. Any other?
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
I will go to 4. Please reply yours faithfully. This is a very common mistake. So let's see what are your doubts on this. Sir, you have given apostrophe after boy. Sir, why you have given? I didn't understand. It is not boy, I told boys. So boys school. In one school, one boy does not study, many boys study. So जब हम बोलते हैं बहुत से लड़कों का स्कूल, ये बन जाता है boys plural और उसके बाद हम देते हैं apostrophe. क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे हम और एक s डालेंगे तो ये सुनाई देगा boys, which is very odd to the ears. इसीलिए we keep it like boys. Next doubt is inning. Innings actually refers to, in a cricket match, a test series, a series of batsmen when they come, they make an innings. Now, number 7. The first innings is going to be over now. What is doubt in that? Question 14. There were no gentry. Gentry. Gentry means gentlemen, respected people. Can't we say cousin instead of the son of my mother's brother? Yes, you can. But here, the rule is that you should not use double apostrophe in a sentence. Double apostrophe means, for example, Ram's father's car. Ram's father's car. We don't speak or write like that. We say car of Ram's father. Remember to keep one apostrophe in a sentence. She has committed not one, but many mischiefs. She has committed not only one, but many mischiefs. Mischief is such a noun which can be counted. It can also be kept uncountable. If you keep it uncountable, then it is much in mischief. But if you're talking about acts of mischief, then this is allowed. Any other doubt? No. So I'll move to exercise number 5. He is a 60-year-old man, the same rule. A 5-man committee had a 3 hours meeting yesterday. In all parties meeting, an all parties meeting was called to consider the drought situation in the country. There is 2 ways traffic here. So no problem of traffic blockage. Any doubt in this 4 before I proceed? Magistrate means a judge in the court. Clear. So now I'm moving to next part. I'm discussing the answers of rest of exercise 5 and 6. You make your corrections and check the answers for the doubts. How can our country accept the 2 nations theory? He has gone to market to purchase vegetable. He said the riches has wings. I asked him where was his spectacles. She said that she was suffering from measles. She said, please give him an arm. Shelley's poetry are great. I saw beautiful scenery. He has purchased new machinery. He had purchased very costly crockery. There were very heavy traffic. She has bought very beautiful furniture. He gave me much information. I'm going to purchase some stationery. Ram said the hair of Sita are black. This house is made of bricks and stones. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
If you don't have a doubt, be silent. I'll understand. The word crockery refers to chinaware, cup, plate, glasses. They constitute crockery. Exercise 5, bullet number 7. He said riches has wings. Here, you need to see that R is capitalized. When R is capitalized, it refers to rich people. So if it is rich people, then we will say have wings. But अगर यहाँ पे R capital ना होके small होता, तो then it is correct. He said riches has wings. Here, riches refers to wealth, money. So there is no other doubt I see in this. Let's move to the next one. Exercise 7 and 8. First, finish this much of 7. Cities after cities were destroyed. Hours are after hours Any doubt? No.
Six, sir.
I gave her 3.5 apples. We use S when we are talking about anything which is whole, complete, pura, gotiye. एटी तीनिटा पूरा पूरा एप्पल अछि आउ गोटे अधा एप्पल अछि जो गोटे अधा एप्पल अछि आमे तो सेठी आउ कहि परिबानी नै कि 3.5 apples आमे सेठी कहबा 3 apples and a half. So these are all the doubts. No, nothing else I see in the chat box. So moving to the next part of exercise 7 and 8. Let me finish 8 also. The length of this hall is 3 times Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, apostrophe s টা ধরন্তু লেখা ହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା sir ଯୋଉ months s ପରେ apostrophe ଲାଗୁଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ apostrophe s ପରେ s ଲାଗୁଛି
ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ
difference ଟା
କହୁଥିଲି
sir
ଦୁଇଟା ମାସର salary, it is the plural. It is more than 1 month. So ଯେତେବେଳେ plural ହେଇଯାଏ ଯେମିତି car ରୁ cars, boy ru boys, woman ru women's. एठी सब बेले प्लूरल परे apostrophe बसे किंतु months परे आउ गोटे जदि apostrophe परे s बसाइबी then it will sound like months. एटा कहिबा odd लगे कानकु, that is why it is not used. Coming to 3 apostrophe s. 3 apostrophe s ର ମାନେ होची तीनी र. एठी आपण पचारु नांती तीनी र, आपण पचारचंती केतेटा तीनी. So that is why no apostrophe is required. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Exercise 9, that is the last exercise. Any doubt?
Sir. Sir, जो हमरो ଗୋଟେ pronoun ରେ जो नहीं yours ଟା your apostrophe s ଲାଗିବ ନା s ଲାଗିବ? ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର his ଅଛି ଆଉ her ଅଛି ସେଟା କଣ sir s ଲାଗିବ last କୁ?
I have to yet teach you pronouns. I haven't taught you. किन जदि आपण पचारचंती hers, hers रे s लागेनी, yours रे s लागे नहीं. Apostrophe s बसेनी, माने apostrophe बसेनी, s तो लागिवो ही, s तार part. His रा तो chance ही नहीं.
Okay.
It have most of the people make an error here. सेमाने एमती yours लेखंती, your apostrophe s faithfully. आपणंक र र, आपणंक र र नुहे, आपणंक yours. किंबा तुम्हें करि परिबो your faithfully. s टा काटी दबो, चलिबो. So these were the corrections. For tomorrow, I am going to ask you the collective nouns. Hopefully all of you have received the collective nouns list. This is given to you. This is the collective noun list. I would ask you the words and their meanings. You would have to look into the dictionary and tell me the meaning of the words. For example, I may ask you what is a lark. You need to tell me what's a lark. What is a teal? You need to tell me what's a teal. So look for the words in the dictionary, look up for them, and I will ask you. Second, there was I think an assignment half discussed, that is appropriate adjectives. That one also I will listen to sentences. Plus, I am going to teach you more on adjectives. That is all for today.